Yunzii B75. If you're looking for a 75% keyboard, this video for you. Today I shared Yunzii B75 keyboard. Yunzii B75 gaming keyboard features a gasket structure, which provides smooth, softer, and more comfortable typing. This 75% keyboard adopts double-shot keycaps and cherry profile. The PBT keycaps are anti-oil and the legends won't fade for years of use. Yunzii B75 is a full key hot swap that can be compatible with 3 pins, 5 pins switches. The hot swap gasket mount keyboard takes factory pre-lubed stabilizers and graywood switches, with approximately 60 million times keystroke lifespan. The switch has solid creamy typing sound and fast, responsive, smooth typing. The B75 keyboard is ergonomic with 2-level kickstands and curved keycaps which can meet different typing needs and reduce fatigue. This compact 75% keyboard provides more room for mouse movement. The dedicated Mac-Awin switch button can seamlessly change the keyboard layout. The blue LED backlit keyboard supports a variety of dynamic lighting effects. You can freely switch between 21 lighting modes, making this wired mechanical keyboard fun. The keyboard can control the computer volume and keyboard backlight quickly. The keyboard software function customize the backlight and remap keys. Plug and play. The B75 mechanical keyboard has a wired connection to maximize typing speed and responsiveness. As a full N-key rollover keyboard, you can press all of the keys at the same time. Gamers, typists, and programmers can enjoy efficient and smooth typing without any ghosting. This keyboard is compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android.